Hey, this is A-Rod once again with OGEconomics.com. Today is February 4th, 2023. Wanted to do a quick follow-up video to my previous video here in regards to the US dollar and what the expectations were with the Federal Reserve meeting. You can see that video here and then we'll come right back. And as you can see here, the US dollar is just about to break the lows that we saw on January 18th. And if I switch this, that's the daily chart. If I switch this to a weekly chart, you can see here that we're on the verge of breaking this low. And if we do, in fact, break the low in the US dollar, it looks like we're going to be able to move down to possibly the $97, $98 range. 200-day moving average is right here at 97.61. So I definitely think that we can come down to these levels here. So the reason I wanted to do a video today, just a short video, was it's interesting in terms of the timing. This morning, the Canadian Federal Reserve lowered their interest rate and hinted that they might be done raising interest rates. To me, what this suggests is that investors and traders are anticipating that the Fed next week is going to raise interest rates maybe 0.25% or maybe even 0.5%. But the language is going to be what everyone is watching. And from what I can see right now is investors and traders are expecting the Fed to have language talking about possibly slowing down the rate of raises or might even pause until they can see some more data coming in. So if we do see the dollar break this low, which is 101.52, right now you can see we're 101.68, then that's going to be very positive for cryptocurrencies. Okay, so you could see when the Fed came out and announced that they raised by 0.25%, they also had some language in there possibly hinting that they were going to pause and look at the data, which is exactly what I was saying in the video. Now, the next day, you can also see the dollar bounced back, and there was an employment report that came out, exceeded all types of expectations, and so the dollar has risen. So as of right now, the dollar really hasn't gone anywhere, so to speak, in the last week or so. But if you take a look at the chart of Bitcoin here, and then also take a look at the chart of the SPY ETF, you can see that not only stocks benefited from that meeting, but also Bitcoin did as well, and some of the other cryptos. So again, I just want to do a quick follow-up here. I'm going to be posting another video here shortly, and appreciate your time. Comment and like the video if you can. Thanks a lot.